Pause the video and look at this comment right here on the screen. This viewer said I changed. They said I stopped caring about small creators and that I only show expensive paid AI tools now. Honestly, reading that hit me hard, but I hear you loud and clear, and I need to set the record straight right now. The reality is, finding actual, working, 100% free backdoors to the world's most premium AI models takes weeks of deep, exhausting research. I show you the paid tools so you know what the future looks like, but I never forgot about the small creators, and today I am going to prove it to you. I am not just giving you some basic, limited free trial today. I am bypassing the paywalls and unlocking the two most powerful, most ridiculously expensive AI models on the planet for you right now: Claude 4.8 Pro and OpenAI's GPT-5.5. You are getting full enterprise-level access to both of them, 100% free. No credit cards required, no shady third-party websites. And if you pay close attention and watch until the very end, I am going to reveal a secret loophole that will completely change how you use AI forever. Let's dive in. First, you need to head over to Google and search for GitLab, or simply click the direct safe link I have provided for you down in the description. When you land on their official homepage, you need to follow my exact steps so you don't trigger the wrong setup. Do not click the giant "Try it for free" button sitting right in the middle of the screen. That is a trap for a much longer, complicated process. Instead, look all the way up at the top right corner of your screen and click on Sign In.
On the very next page, you are going to see a standard login form. Skip the manual username and password fields entirely. Scroll down just a little bit and click directly on the Google button. Choose your active Google account. The system will instantly sync your details and send a quick verification code directly to your email address. Just open your email, grab that code, paste it in, and your account is instantly verified and ready to go. Next, the platform will ask you a few basic onboarding questions to set up your workspace. Select Software Developer as your role, choose the Create a New Project option, and then click Just Me. Now, it will ask for a group name and a project name. I am simply going to type in my brand name, Esmile AI, for both fields. You can name this whatever you want. It does not affect the AI access. Once you have typed that in, hit the blue Create Project button. You are now sitting inside the main developer dashboard. But hold on, your premium AI access is not activated just yet. Look over to the right side of your screen. You will see a dedicated chat panel with a blue button that says Start a Free Trial. Click on that button. A small activation form will pop up asking for your company name and your country. Just type in your brand name again, like I am doing with Esmile AI, select United States, and enter your state. Now, before you click anything else, look very closely at the text on the right side of this activation window. It clearly states in plain English, no credit card required. You have absolutely zero financial risk here. Click Activate My Trial. Boom, you are officially in.
If you look down at the bottom left side of your screen, you will now see a progress tracker showing you have 30 days left in your GitLab Ultimate Trial. But the real magic, the absolute gold mine, is happening on the right side of your screen. That chat box is your portal. To make this much easier to work with, look at the top right corner of the chat window and click the Maximize panel icon. This expands the AI interface into full screen, giving you a massive workspace. Now, look at the search dropdown right above where you type your messages. Open that up, scroll down, and look at exactly what we have access to here: Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.8 and OpenAI's GPT-5.5. To put this into perspective, massive tech agencies and developers are paying hundreds of dollars a month in subscription fees and API costs just to get a fraction of this computing power. You are bypassing all of that and getting it for $0. Let's put this to the ultimate test to prove it works perfectly. I am going to select GPT 5.5 from the drop-down menu right now and give it a heavy task. I will prompt it, I want to get a website built, so please create one for me. The website should feature the brand name Esmile AI, so please design it based on this name. Now, watch the screen closely. Look at the generation speed. There are no artificial rate limits slowing the text down. There are no paywalls interrupting the output. It is instantly writing a complete, flawless HTML and CSS code structure for a professional landing page. You can use this exact setup to generate high-converting viral video scripts, analyze massive data spreadsheets, build fully functional video games from scratch, or write professional marketing copy. I'm currently running 2 separate accounts using this exact method, and it is performing flawlessly without a single error or limit warning. Now, for the massive pro tip I promised you at the very beginning of this video.
This specific enterprise trial gives you 30 full days of unlimited high-tier access to these incredibly smart models. But what happens when those 30 days run out and the trial expires? Well, I have figured out a brilliant, powerful trick to essentially make this access run infinitely. However, because of YouTube's incredibly strict community guidelines regarding account bypassing and platform exploits, I cannot physically show you the exact step-by-step infinite loop process on screen without risking a severe community guideline strike on the channel. But let's just say, with a little bit of common sense, a temporary email address, a fresh phone number, and logging out of your old session, history has a very funny way of repeating itself. If you try it yourself, you will see exactly what I mean. If you want me to try and film a dedicated, safe tutorial showing you exactly how to loop this trick forever without getting caught, I need you to flood the comments section right now. If I see enough of you asking for it, I will find a highly creative and safe way to make that video happen for you. Stop paying crazy monthly fees for AI. Enjoy your completely free access to Claude 4.8 and GPT 5.5. Drop a massive like on this video if this method helped you out. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next one.